Hello, in front of me I have got iPhone 16 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to change flashlight beam width. To adjust flashlight beam width, turn on the flashlight and now swipe right or left to adjust the width of the flashlight. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.